close. I'm doing it. No wonder. No, okay.
I don't have any money.
Dude, I got $65.
I don't have any money.
It's $1 a burger.
Oh yeah, have you seen those commercials? And then they're like, you look like 1million double Western bacon cheeseburgers.
No, you look like a million crispy chicken nuggets. Like, that's something you should say to the girl. Be like, what bitch? Like, no, cause like.
What are you talking about?
I also can tell like your wife you look like 1million crispy crispy. Fuck. All right, 1million chicken nuggets. Sounds fat. And you don't want to be called cat, now do you?
Oh, you're retarded.
No, that takes like 125 processes.